everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make gyoza tsukune. I wanted to make gyoza the other day, but I forgot to get the wrapper. So I just made it into meatballs and it was great. So today, I'm showing it. It's much easier than gyoza. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this gyoza tsukune. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 400 grams of ground pork, some cabbage and garlic chive. These two together, it's about 400 grams. 1 tablespoon each of miso paste, potato starch, garlic paste, and sesame oil. 1 teaspoon of salt and some salt and pepper. Let's mince the vegetables first. Garlic chive. The bottom end is dried out, so let's cut it off just a little bit. And slice in these. And put it in a large bowl. Cabbage. Cut the core off. Take some leaves. Press to flatten it. Make thin slices. Mince. And put it in the same bowl. Same for the remaining cabbage. Put a teaspoon of salt. Mix well. And let it sit for 10 minutes. The salt brought out the moisture and it's wet and slightly wilted. Let's squeeze this really well and put it in another bowl. So take some and squeeze. Into another bowl. Salad spinner won't do this job. Okay, all done. A lot of water came out from the vegetables. And you don't need it, so you can put it away. Into the bowl of vegetables, ground pork, 1 teaspoon of salt and pepper, miso paste, potato starch, garlic paste, and sesame oil, all in. And knead this well until everything is well cooperated. All well mixed. I'm making 8 meatballs, so let's roughly divide this into 8. Heat up about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in the frying pan. And let's put the mixture as you form flat disc shape. Take one section, make it into a disc shape. Then into the frying pan. And cook them for 4 to 5 minutes on both sides. The heat is medium. The first ones are looking good already, so let's flip them. After you flip them, put about 3 tablespoons of water, cover with the lid and steam cook them. Cook for 5 minutes. Take the lid off and keep cooking to cook off all the remaining water. Once the water is all gone, kill the heat and it's done. Time for the tasting. You can make the dipping sauce as complicated as you like, but my favorite is very simple. It's just soy sauce and rice vinegar, 1:1, and a little bit of chili oil. Soy sauce and vinegar, 1:1, and chili oil. Put the sauce and いただきます。 gyoza, but much easier and quicker. I think I will be making this more than gyoza. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Gyoza tsukune is a main, so it goes here. Plain rice here, and okra and wakame soup here. The main contains a lot of vegetables, so let's pass one of the side dishes, and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!